If you're planning migrate to Australia, one of your biggest questions might be, will I be able to find a job easily? Well, the good news is, yes, you can. In this short video, I'll take you through 7 jobs that many new migrants and international students find quite easily when they first arrive in Australia. These jobs don't require Australian citizenship or high-level qualifications. Some even offer flexible hours so you can study or manage your family life. Let's get started. Job number 1, aged care or support worker. This is one of the most in-demand jobs in Australia right now. As the population gets older, more people need help with daily tasks. If you're kind, caring, and willing to get certified, this could be perfect for you. Most people start with a Certificate 3 in individual support, which takes just a few months to complete. The pay? Around $28 to $35 per hour, sometimes more on weekends or holidays. Job number 2, cleaner, residential or commercial. Cleaning jobs are one of the easiest ways to earn a good income quickly. You can clean homes, offices, or even work night shifts in shopping malls. No qualifications are needed, just a strong work ethic and reliability. If you start your own small business, you'll need an ABN, that's an Australian business number. Typical pay ranges from $25 to $40 per hour. Job number 3, kitchen hand or hospitality worker. Australia has thousands of cafes, restaurants, and takeaways. They're always looking for kitchen hands, waiters, and baristas. Many Sri Lankan students and new migrants find these jobs quickly. You'll need to be fast, friendly, and sometimes have an RSA certificate if alcohol is served. Wages are usually between $23 and $30 per hour, plus tips. Job number 4, delivery driver or rideshare driver. Do you have a driver's license? Then this might be a great option for you. You can work for companies like Uber, DoorDash, or Menulog, delivering food or passengers. You choose your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. All you need is a car, an ABN, and a background check. The pay depends on the time and location, but is usually $25 to $40 per hour. Job number 5, warehouse worker or pickpacker. Big companies like Amazon, Woolworths, and Kohl's always need staff for their warehouses. Your job might involve packing boxes, sorting goods, or helping with deliveries. If you're physically fit and willing to work shifts, this job is for you. You can earn $27 to $35 per hour, and even more if you have a forklift license. Job number 6, disability support worker. Similar to aged care, this role involves helping people with disabilities live better lives. You might assist with daily routines, transport, or just keeping them company. This industry is growing fast thanks to the NDIS, the National Disability Insurance Scheme. You'll need some training and a background check, but the rewards, both emotional and financial, are high. You can expect $30 to $45 per hour. Job number 7, retail assistant or supermarket worker. Finally, let's talk about retail jobs. Big supermarket chains like Woolworths, Kohl's, and Aldi often hire part-time and casual staff. Your job might involve stocking shelves, helping customers, or working at the checkout. This is a great starting job and helps improve your English and customer service skills. Pay is generally $25 to $32 per hour.